All right, good evening. It is July the 12th, 2026. On this blessed day, we're giving glory to the Lord, glory to our Savior, Jesus Christ, this blessed Sunday. We give him all the glory for everything. He had the ability to be able to do this. Some people can't do this. We take for granted the things we can do. Sit in our house, log online, talk about investing. So, we're thankful I live in the greatest country right now. I wouldn't want to live in any other country. I'll just say that so y'all get my perspective. But all right, let's open this up. We have the SPY, right? This is the S&P 500, the best 500 companies according to the United States are in this. We are currently in a bull market, if you can see. I take this as a bull market, big time. We are, yeah, we're in the bull market, definitely. We are still going up. Yeah, we're still going up. As you can see, okay, so we had the SPY is showing that we closed at 754, but overnight we have dropped. So I'm gonna do some a little bit of charting here. Let's take this one out. I'm gonna just show y'all what I see. Each one of these is a day. It opened here, closed here for the green candles. The red candles means it opened here and closed here. It went all the way down here and pushed back, closed here. See, we opened here, probably went all the way down and pushed all the way up here, and then came back and closed here. So these are green days. This will be 710. If you look straight down, it tells you what day. July 9th, July 8th. All right. Let's take, I got too much stuff going on. Sorry. A lot of this is daily stuff. So we're going to use this. That was the high. That was the high of the day prior. So if you ask me, if we're down here at 751 right now, it's to me, it's telling me it's testing right here. So let's break this down. 15 minutes. It's testing Friday. It's not going to show us yet, but currently in Hawaii it's 9:18. In about an hour, about 10:18, it's going to show us the pre-market. But right now it is saying that we are right here. So if you ask me, we're testing yesterday. So tomorrow might be a good day. So if you ask me, there's a couple stocks that I was looking at. Let's go first. Let's go CVX, Chevron. All right. Chevron currently, give me the daily. It's pretty down. It's already making its spike. Now, these are what I like to call gaps. Right here, right here. When you see a stock go down like that, and produce these gaps, I like to get in at those gaps because we're gonna come back and feel it. As you can see, overnight we're at 179. We're already feeling this gap that's at 176. There's another gap over here at 181. So you could play this. And with the whole Trump Suez oil, so the oil is running, but the prices are still high. So I have a theory that they need to get rid of the oil that they bought at a high. Excuse my dog, Kita. Get rid of the oil that they bought at a high price before they start selling it low. But oil will come down very fast. So when oil starts to come down, this is gonna go crazy. It's already coming crossing over the 200-day moving average. This is just people who hold the stock for 200 days or more. These are the average prices that they'd like to buy at. So we came and touched it. This is the average price that they would be buying at, which is a great price, 169. It came down to 164, shot back up. We're at 179 right now, $10 up. But when people say, "Oh, the rich just get richer," no, they just know what they're doing because they're buying at these levels, 200 day. So when they say, "Oh, they got richer," yeah, because they bought at this level. And if you ride this all the way back up to the high, they got 25% return and one crack. But another one that was Chevron, by the way. You also have Exxon. It looks exactly like Chevron. You still got another gap over here. And overnight, this one is already starting to move up. So, and one that somebody else brought to my attention is the trade desk. This is what you call a falling wedge. See, I'm gonna go to the weekly candles just to see 1 week at a time. Look at that. This is a falling wedge. So we are currently back at the prices that we were at in 2020. I'm probably gonna play this. It would be a January 2027. I would do like a January 2027 $20 call because it's already at 19. And I was looking at it actually. What is it, July 17th? No, give me January 2027. And look, got 3,000 people in here. It's $420. That's not a bad call. That's just me. If you want to go further out, safer, January 2028. It's probably going to be 720. Even more people. They like this one even better. For $700, this is a great anchor. I would call this an anchor call because you have 1 year and like 6 months. And so this will be one of those calls that you can leave on your account. And you probably won't have to pay taxes as long as you hold it for 12 months and 1 day. So that's kind of what I'm doing. Oh, yeah. And for the week, just a regular update. We're at 4,000. We had hit, what did we hit? Give me a week. We was at 43. We was at 44 earlier this week. I still have the XLK. Still have a SoFi, which is already gaining. Now, this is the Netflix I jumped in. As y'all can see, I'm losing a whole bunch of money in that Palantir. But I still have hopes in Palantir. Let's just look at it, see what it's doing. Now, remember, we're on the weekly, so each candle is 1 week. So it looks like we're trying to recover. If we can break. Oh, looks like we're breaking at 127 overnight. We should be good. We're up already $1 overnight. So if we can break 127, I got a feeling that Palantir gonna take off. That's just me. I don't know what Microsoft is doing, bouncing off this level. I'm just hoping that one takes off. I need to get out of that call. SoFi, same thing. We're going. Everything is starting to go. Nvidia made some money on that one not that long ago. Energy, XLK sector, just the call I got. I'm still planning on this one. Why when it gets to this end of this triangle, we should I don't know. I hope. But that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I know you guys not really responding, but this also is my benefit, my journey also. So this is good for me to look back on. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay blessed, stay encouraged, and stay consistent most of all. All right, God bless.